Hello, kids. Today we will practice compound words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. What are compound words? When you combine two different words, you get a new word. For example, if you combine sea and horse together, you get a word seahorse. I will show you 10 different examples of compound words. Let's get started. Butter, fly, butterfly. Again, butter, fly, butterfly. Your turn. Very good. Rain, bow, rainbow. Again, rain, bow, rainbow. Your turn. Very good. Mail, box, mailbox. Again, mail, box, mailbox. Your turn. Very good. Lip, stick, lipstick. Again, lip, stick, lipstick. Your turn. Very good. Sun, flower, sunflower. Again, sun, flower, sunflower. Your turn. Very good. Cup, cake, cupcake. Again, cup, cake, cupcake. Your turn. Very good. Snow, man, snowman. Again, snow, man, snowman. Your turn. Very good. Tooth, brush, toothbrush. Again, tooth, brush, toothbrush. Your turn. Very good. Rain, coat, raincoat. Again, Rain coat. Raincoat. Your turn. Very good. See horse. Seahorse. Again. See horse. Seahorse. Your turn. Very good. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos on compound words. Have a good day. Bye bye.